Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check your device model and update firmware or drivers. Once done, connect the headphones using the recommended interface, USB for full features or Bluetooth for convenience. Make sure you have the official THX Spatial Audio app or your hardware maker's audio control panel installed. Without that layer, you cannot enable spatial processing. Now open the installer or app, accept prompts, and proceed to the main configuration screen, so you can choose device outputs and you now configure the spatial engine itself. First, select your connected output in the THX app and pick the spatial mode that fits your use case: gaming for positional cues, music for depth, cinema for immersive mixes. Then adjust the distance, elevation, and room simulation sliders to match how you want sound staged. Small changes have big perceptual effects. If available, enable virtualization or HRTF personalization so the processor tailors imaging to headphones. Finally, save a profile. Finish by ensuring your OS audio output is routed to the THX-enabled device, and then run a spatial demo or a binaural test track to verify imaging and depth. If sound is missing or modes won't stick, make sure the app and drivers are up to date. Then repair or reconnect the hardware. Transient Bluetooth issues often resolve with a fresh link. If problems persist, reset your saved profiles or reinstall the THX app to clear misconfigurations, and retest to confirm the spatial effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.